Yo, what is up, guys? Bringing you a new video. So today I'm gonna go over some simple trades I did today on June 9th 2020. And so my first trade today was CSU. So it opened up at 143, and then we get a good spike right here in the morning, topping out at 172. That's about 20% or so, about 27 cents of spread on with that whole catching the bottom and the top. And then we get some fading action through here, and creates that support level right here at around 151 or so, and it creates a little hump, and it creates a resistance point right at where it breaks right here. It creates a high of 164, and it breaks that support level right here, and it just keeps on tanking down. People would be thinking this would be a good time to dip buy, and so we get a little bit of sellers and not enough buyers. So it creates a little hump, and it breaks that support level again. And so around here is where I buy at 127, and my risk was yesterday's support zone was 121, and there was another support zone right here at 115, and so it breaks that level, and it creates a low of 113, and it breaks my risk level, which was at 121. So I placed my order, but I canceled it because it looked like it was gonna go back up for that bounce, which people were waiting for, and I was waiting for too. And so I canceled the order, and right when I cancel, a couple seconds later, it jumps to the 130s. And so right when it's at 130, I place my sell order at 130, and I'm waiting a couple more minutes, and it looks like it wants to break out that level again, but buyers are pushing it up, and then I do get filled right here at 130, and it was a profit of 881 for this trade. And then later on it just starts to fade, consolidate. But yeah, overall it's pretty boring. It fades throughout the whole day, and just boring. I think it was under VWAP the whole day. Yeah, it was under VWAP the whole day. So I think, and this had no news as well, so this was pretty sketch. So, but it did do that little 15% bounce or so. But this was a bad trade because I was not disciplined to my plan. I did not stick to it. I got lucky on this trade. So next time, stick to your plan. Don't just react to the market, honestly. I could have gone with the loss, but I did write it out beforehand. So this was a bad trade because I did write out my risk and reward, but I did not stick to it, and it came out to be a profit. But I still think this was a bad trade, and so not good. So my next trade was PLM. This one was, I was looking at it around here, so right at the top where it spikes up. Again, another dip right here. People were thinking to buy right here at the 163s, and catching a little action right here. So that was 18% bounce, and then we get some fading action, fading, and then it creates that support zone right here at 56. And then we get some more topping action, some buyers and sellers, and I buy right here. I buy right here at 60, and it drops lower to 56. It would have been more ideal to buy like 58 or so. Waited, been patient a couple more, or just lowered my my buy position to 158, but I did get executed at 60. But yeah, it starts to fade down. Low again was 56, and then it starts to climb climb up, climb up, climb up, and then this is where I do sell at 64, which was a $40 profit for this trade. I could have been a little bit more patient and sold at like 66 or 67. Yeah, because I did get, because I thought it was just going to turn over, because the first other bounce was not that much significant, so that made me want to sell. I could have been patient, not traded here, and bought right here at the 58, 57 or so, and sold at the 67s or even the 680s if I would have got filled that time. But today was an alright day for trading. Focus on big percent gainers because those are the most active stocks that people are trading.